Have you ever pondered whether acquiring 10 Tesla shares may bring you wealth? I'm sure I've thought about this query a lot in my dreams. Even though many investors began liquidating their holdings towards the end of May 2022, some analysts and Tesla stock whales think that the company's stock price may still rise above expectations, possibly even sooner rather than later. We'll examine the data, the prospects for Tesla stock, and how a single share can make you wealthy in this video. Please hit the like, notification, and subscribe buttons if you're new to the channel and enjoy this content. Some well-known investors have moved to anticipate a cheaper price. Although we don't require their permission, we love to see the big investment brands' predictions come true. To put it plainly, the company's stats completely refute the Tesla bears. Based on the data, it appears that investors in Tesla are now nearly guaranteed a sizable annual return. For example, you would have spent $6,940 if you had purchased 10 Tesla shares in June 2021 at the top price. Your 10 equities increased in value by around $540 in just 1 year, to roughly $7,000 by June 2022. Even though many people thought that Tesla's stock would eventually plummet and see occasional dips, like the one we're presently experiencing, the company has consistently performed incredibly well over the long term. Elon Musk's business has continued to lead in R&D and product development despite his unorthodox management style. Let's examine Tesla's most recent offering to determine if it can raise the price of the shares. Musk's tweet provided the earliest and most intriguing glimpse of Tesla's fully autonomous beta version 11 on the internet. According to the company's CEO, version 11 of the fully autonomous FSD beta might be released globally by the summer. In response to a tweet inquiring about when beta version 11 of Tesla's FSD cars would be released, CEO Elon Musk stated, "I am driving an alpha version of the FSD on the highways and it's not quite ready, most likely prepared for a broad release this summer." There are other updates available for Tesla's fully autonomous cars though. In response to a question regarding the beta version 10.13 of the FSD vehicle, Elon stated that they plan to have it available by the end of the second week of June. Musk has stated that the next iterations of the FSD beta will involve major system enhancements and an emphasis on maneuvering around roundabouts. The great majority of Tesla's FSD beta testers have conveyed their contentment with the overall encounter and the execution of all things that were promised. Most importantly, though, if these releases and upgrades proceed as anticipated, investor interest in Tesla will rise once more. This surge may result in a sharp rise in the price of Tesla stock, which would be excellent news for those who already own it. Beyond the possibility that even 10 Tesla shares could be extremely valuable, there is more to this tale. It's not only the FSD cars. Even if Tesla's FSD is amazing, Elon Musk has declared that a prototype of Tesla's Optimus Prime robot will be unveiled on September day. The CEO declared that the event date has been pushed forward, unless the humanoid robot is not nearly ready for its public presentation. Since a teaser for Tesla's masterpiece, the Optimus, was unveiled during the company's inaugural artificial intelligence presentation in August of last year, both fans and critics have been eagerly awaiting their first glimpse. Musk thinks it will be even more important than the company's original electric vehicle segment. Elon claims that Optimus is a multifunctional robot with a suite of cameras, sensors, and a self-piloting system that will be completely operational and able to navigate on its own. In order to do this, Optimus is developing a robot that can perform tasks like grocery shopping and offering homeowners guided tours of their homes. Financiers worldwide will be intrigued by the possibilities of ag robots, much as how Tesla's well-known electric autos are always being enhanced. If Tesla can show progress and live up to the hype around the announcement, the effects will be breathtaking. Without a doubt, artificial intelligence will play a significant role in the global economy. Since Tesla hopes to lead this trend, just as they did with electric vehicles, the stock price will soar. If Tesla establishes itself as the market leader in the emerging AI space, investors holding 10 shares or more stand to see their money quadruple in value within 2 years, similar to what happened when the stock was around $100 and they watched as it multiplied by 5 and then 10 until the bubble burst. Another fascinating subject is the possible impact of Tesla's project expansion on the company's stock price. Starlink's satellites will be housed in Brazil's Amazon region according to a recent deal between the corporation and the Brazilian government. The main goal of Starlink is to bring internet connectivity to parts of the world where millions do not currently have it. In recent months, Starlink has made great progress in forming alliances and agreements with other nations to manage its projects within their borders. This would make it possible for thousands of remote schools that were previously without internet to take part in the intensified surveillance aimed at preserving the Amazon rainforest. Elon Musk's own company, SpaceX, is in charge of the Starlink project and is involved in multiple Tesla-related projects. Thus, Tesla's share price benefits greatly from the success of SpaceX and its Starlink project. Following the completion of the Starlink system's global rollout, Tesla may see a surge in both domestic and foreign investor interest. In early June, Tesla Incorporated pursued a 3-for-1 stock split. As far as we know, this resulted in a decrease in the stock price of the company, which attracted investors looking for a good deal. The large-scale liquidations in May 2022 served as the impetus for the proposal. Tesla noted in a statement on August 4th that, should the plan be accepted, it will represent the company's first option since August 2020. The goal of the stock split is to increase the company's accessibility to retail investors while also assisting employees in better managing their equity. Although the stock split wouldn't directly impact the company's earnings, it would undoubtedly draw in new investors and support the share price. Due to the recent losses, Tesla's stock price has reached a 2-year low, which has led investors to demand that the board and CEO, Elon Musk, repurchase shares. Tesla's valuation increased by around $700 billion in the previous year. Musk stated on Tesla's Q3 earnings call that the company is preparing a sizable repurchase for the upcoming year, most likely in the $5 billion to $10 billion area. But the Tesla board will ultimately have to make the final decision. Existing shareholders would have more say over how much ownership they have in the company if fewer shares were outstanding and were bought on the market. Alexandra Mers, a prominent figure and enthusiast for Tesla, has started a Change.org petition calling for the repurchase to occur by the end of the year. Mers claims that by doing this, Tesla would be able to take advantage of its drastically discounted stock price and avoid paying the 1% excise tax that will be imposed on buybacks exceeding $1 million starting on February 1, 2023. As recommended by Mers and other investors, a stock repurchase would demonstrate confidence in Tesla's future performance and return funds to shareholders. Tesla has been experimenting with this wonderful notion for a very long time. With all the other improvements and the possible repurchase, re-engaging investors in the company's shares after the split might result in a big buy-in from investors, which would have a big impact on the stock price. A stack of 10 Tesla equities at this time could be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars later. Do you think all of this would be necessary to cause Tesla's stock price to soar? Tell us in a comment below. Please remember to use the like and subscribe buttons if you like this video. In the upcoming video, I'll see you. I'm grateful. Because investors view Berkshire as a safe shelter for their money, it has performed remarkably well this year, while Tesla stock has underperformed. Let's return to our original query. Are you a fan of Tesla, and do you currently believe it to be a wise investment? Please share your thoughts in the comments box. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe. In the upcoming video, I'll see you.